The wild water lotus of Lake Martin, Louisiana. Located in southwest Louisiana between Lafayette and New Orleans. There's so much to do on Lake Martin, such as taking the 5-mile trail through the bayou. You can always take the Cajun country swamp boat tour if walking isn't your thing. There's lots of wildlife, such as great blue herons and alligators too. Don't forget to bring your fishing pole. You'll fall in love with the yellow and the purple water iris on the shore. And of course, the cypress trees, which are adorned by the pale yellow water lotus all summer long.